Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today the video is going to be on the Tyneside electrics. This was about the electrification of the suburban railways in Newcastle, and this formed the first electric railway within Newcastle. This is a precursor to the Tyne and Wear Metro, and sort of a lot of these lines actually now form the Tyne and Wear Metro lines. The Tyneside electrics were a suburban railway line in Newcastle. This is run by the London North Eastern Railway. They were powered through the use of the electric third rail system. So we sort of talk about the rise of this. So with the increase in sort of tram routes that came around the turn of the 20th century, steam-hauled locomotives were struggling to keep up. There was a fall in passenger numbers, with over 2 million journeys being lost to the trams. This tram network then linked all the way from Newcastle out to its coastal suburbs of Tynemouth and Whitley Bay. The London North Eastern Railway Company decided to take action in 1902 to sort of try and stem this loss and stop them from losing any more passengers. Their solution to reduce the passenger numbers from falling even further was electrification of the lines. This was to provide a better service for customers and a quicker service that would have encouraged more people to switch back to using the trains over the trams. This electrification proved extremely popular. It's actually reversed the fall in passenger numbers. It's actually increased passenger numbers on the line again. The new trains were swift, efficient, and were a notable improvement to the previous steam-hauled locomotives, as well as notable benefits to anyone living near the railway, as they no longer had the negative effects of steam. In order to power this railway, the North Eastern Railway didn't actually build its own power station. Instead, they bought in electricity from the Newcastle upon Tyne electrical supply. A new depot was constructed in Walkergate near Heaton in order to service these new trains. The line was further extended in 1908 to allow trains to run from Newcastle through Gateshead to South Shields as well. In 1908, this line actually was only for transporting coal. Passenger lines were not electrified until 1938. After the extension to South Shields, there was no further increase in electrification of passenger lines.
A day in the life of the mayor seems to be neither here nor there, at least not for long. After 2 years' work and an expenditure of $500,000, a new electric train service is being opened between Newcastle and South Shields, and the mayor travels on the first train. No sooner has he arrived when he starts to come back again. The new service reduces the old train journey time between the two towns by 7 minutes, and it's expected to help materially in the progress of Tyneside.
Following on from this, and with no further expansion, by the 1960s, the cost of running the Tyneside electrics and sort of the refurbishment that was needed in order to update this system was deemed too much by British Rail. The electric infrastructure and rolling stock were getting aging at this point, and therefore they would need renewing. Under British Rail, the lines were converted back to diesel operation. This took place on the Newcastle to South Shields line in 1963 and the Newcastle to Tynemouth line in 1967. Many of these former routes used by the Tyneside electrics were then later converted into the Tyne and Wear Metro system. The Tyne and Wear Metro system then succeeded the system in 1980, re-electrified a lot of these lines, as well as the construction of new tunnels. The history of the Tyne and Wear Metro will be covered in a later video, which will sort of explain the line, the system, and the sort of its overall extensions. But thanks for watching this quick video.
Metro will speed passengers into and out of the congested central areas of Newcastle and Gateshead and link with new bus routes for other journeys.